Hello sir, my name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedinner.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give a brief introduction about yourself. Sir.
Yeah, thanks, Dhaval. My name is Deven Shah. I'm the principal of Shree Tiwari College of Engineering, and also having the honorary post of Associate Dean at the University of Mumbai for the Faculty of Science and Technology. I completed my PhD from the cyber security and author of 11 books on various technology domains. Before Dean post, I am also twice BOSIT chairman, and I am instrumental in designing the syllabus of IT for last 10 years for the University of Mumbai.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, sir. So my first question is, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector, sir, and how has been your experience so far with this institute?
So the education sector is my choice. I am from the Gujarati family. So in the Gujarati family, being a teacher is a last option. But this is my passion and my choice to be a teacher. And why it is because from the childhood, I always have a habit of simplifying the most complex and the conceptual problems and simplify and explain to my colleagues. So that is what I want to continue to play.
Being the principal at LR Tiwari Engineering College, what is your philosophy of leadership and how would you describe your leadership style?
Completely decentralized philosophy with the ownership. Second thing, removing the fear of failure among all my students and the faculties, particularly when they are talking about the research and the consultancy connecting with the industry. That is what my philosophy is about.
How do you strategize about the key program and plans for the marketing and administration of your college?
See, my Sri Tiwari College of Engineering is outskirts of Mumbai, but then we are having direct competition with all the engineering colleges across the Mumbai. So my philosophy is very simple, that let's have a unique concept. Everything what we do in terms of teaching, learning, research, it should be very unique and it is not available across over here. So I'll give a couple of examples. Total we have 15 unique concepts, after which the most important is we are the only institute in India, not even in IITs, having a cryptocurrency investigation lab, and we are handling all law enforcement agency over here. We have total 5 cryptocurrency live node, which includes the Bitcoin node in our college premises.
The education system in India and foreign countries are structured very differently. In your experience, what can inbound students can gain by studying with this college?
Practical exposure. Everything what we do, it has to be practically connected. So we understood where the problem lies. The problem is with for example, if I want to connect the students with the industry requirement, but then the problem with this is that students are not able to gain the industry relevant courses from the curriculum. So we ask them to connect with the MOOC courses, but then 6% only the students are completing the MOOC courses. Then how to handle this problem? So we come up with the concept of a prayas, where every students are given a 15-minute capsule knowledge and the way to solve the problem. And then they are trying to solve this problem. For example, on the web technology, can I run a C++ program within the browser? This is the problem of 15 minutes. And if my students are able to solve the C++ program in the browser, then that means they can now download. They don't need to download the game. They can directly click on the browser. They can run the game in the browser.
Any insights how institutes will be welcoming students from different races and economic backgrounds?
Here I appreciate is everything is automatic, because I appreciate the government policy. And really government policy help us to do this, diversity. So government has a reservation quota even for the all caste and religions, as well as economic backward class reservation is there. So automatically all the type of students and the religions are coming to our college.
What do you think should be the university's top priority over the next 10 years?
So university top priorities would be the entire world. See, if my Prime Minister says that we need to be developed country, then even universities should be among the top 50 universities in the world.
What would you like people to know about your institute they may not know?
So people should know that over here you get totally a different concept. We are here trying to migrate from the mark-based system to a truly a knowledge-based system, and we make sure that outcome-based education is adopted in true spirit.
What do you see as the greatest strength of LR Tiwari College of Engineering?
My dedicated faculty, my motivated management, our chairman sir's philosophy in the Mirabai and the region is the most affordable engineering education should be given to the region's people.
What are some of the plans you are planning for the future or upcoming years?
So for the upcoming years, what we want to do is we want to create a separate verticals other than the revenue of a fees, whereby my students will start creating companies within the college, okay, and they flourish. Suppose, for example, I have a 60 students intake of IT department. So can I have one company whereby I can place 600 students in a 10 years time? That is easily possible.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Please move away from the knowledge mark based system from 12th standard, move away from the coaching classes and acquire the true knowledge. That is the only way you can move forward.
It was pleasure talking to you and introducing your thoughts on education, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.